Right, okay, we're here, so let's go and have a little look round. Originally constructed as an anti-aircraft command operations room in 1951 and disused in 1960. It formed part of a Pendell Army Camp which was removed to make way for the M23. The bunker is situated adjacent to the London-bound carriageway of the M23 at junction 8, at the bottom of an embankment. The radio array can be seen from the motorway. The site was taken over by the Home Office in early 1960s and allocated to the Metropolitan Police as its Southern War headquarters, and remained so until 1991 when it was partially stripped out. I'll put a bit of description below where this information come from, and there's other people's pictures. So that's it then. Let's go and have a look round. Okay, here we are at like the little porch area where you start to go in. I think this is the only way in and out looking at other videos, so let's go and have a look around this Cold War bunker. Right, lights on. Right, let's go. Okay, here we are. Yeah, see, it's all flooded now. There's a control room, bit of a balcony. We'll see what we can do. I have got the waders if I want to use them, yet to be seen. Yeah, see, what's having this now is the damp. Look, all the plasterboard's gone. Partition walls. It's looking really sad now. So we can see. Ventilation, electrics. Police used up to 1991, I think, so you know there's going to be newer parts in this. It was a bunker in the 1950s, 60s. There you are, a couple of mobile phone chargers there. Look at that. USB leads. There we are, look at that. Chipboard door. Seen better days, look. The moisture in here is just so high, everything's wet. Racking. There we are, water tank. They've been covered up in the day. So that's a water tank. Have we got toilets or kitchen here? It's the toilets. There we are, another water tank. Yeah, toilets. Seen better days. There you are. For the fan. Yeah. Yeah, it's a control for the fan to be my guess. Vent axe here. Yeah. Oh, there we are. There it is. I'll go to the outside. External wall. Got milk. There we are. Nice set of boobs. Ah, yeah, there's another set of steps down below. I think there's about 4 sets of steps I read, didn't I? There's steps down below, it's about 4 sets. There you are, from the roof, the plant life starting to dangle down. There you are, roots. You've got to be careful on some of these floors, they are starting to deteriorate, so we watch where we walk. There we are. Big window, I'm guessing, in its day. There we are, look at that, sort of original light switch, old school. Don't see them anymore. Yeah, good old school. Government building, I'd imagine, being sort of by some sort of camp in the day, then it's went into the 50s up to like 1990s. Government, police. Okay, what we got in here then? Oh no, it's an external wall. Here we are, outside door. Jason's behind. Yeah, this would be an outside wall then. So roll the door, a fuse box there. Ah. Okay, back to where we started. Female lavatory, here we are. It's the girls' toilets. Here we are, boiler on the floor. Probably went there to that vent. Look at that. Another control for the fan, there it is. Yeah, one of those towels in a roll. Look at that. Well, seen better days. Obviously a mirror there at some point, sinks. There we are then, female toilets. Let's keep moving. It's not a massive building, but it's quite big. Ooh, more toilets, showers, hot water tank. Okay, for some reason the urinals were covered up. They boxed in the urinals here for some reason. Okay, steps again. Okay, just what you wanted in the toilets. A cooker. No, it just would have been a switch for something. There we are. Fuse box. Safely say that don't work anymore. Yeah, quite a nice sized room. Would have been lovely in its day, but all but gone now. It's been left some years. Okay. Pair of pants, a little bit bizarre. There's a pair of pants up here. So, water tank. Boiler room maybe. There is a boiler room, I think it's downstairs. Flooded, I saw a video on it. Old school door closer. Yeah, just pretty normal doors. Chipboard, probably fireproof. Yeah, socket on the wall there. Poor old partition's looking a bit sad now. It's a bell. Fire alarm maybe? Yes, that's a bell. Okay, we've had a look on the nice, ground level. Now we're going to go the floor below now, which is full of water. So it's radars, it's action camera, so the video won't be as good. I'll take photos using this. So let's see what we can do with the action camera and some radars like a complete idiot. Right, let's go. Let's find some of the better steps and get down. Okay, it's a little bit deeper than I was planning, but we've got a stick, so let's see what we can do. I'll film Jason filming me.
It looks like you've got a turd flake on top.
Yeah.
You've had an accident.
It's just a matter of filming. You don't rush. Okay, there's nothing there, so I'm not going in there. Let's do what we can do. I think this will be quick and short, this. I just don't know how far I'm going to get. Yeah, it's higher than I wanted.
It don't smell particularly pleasant either.
No, it's just oil and stuff. Okay. I'll see what I can do. I'm at ground level now, so this is where it will stay. I'll try and take a few snaps with this thing. I'm going to come into that middle room. Go and have a look at that middle room with a balcony. Yeah, this is that control room. Trouble is, you seem to be walking on an awful lot of loose stuff. I'm not going to get in here, I'm going to do so far. There we are. Jason there. Yeah, I'm not going to do this, I'm going to do it very minimally. There we go. Okay, this isn't very nice, I'm not going to go in here. Look at the oil floating. There we are, big blackboard. Things on it, probably not to do with the time, but I'm guessing that might go to another stairwell, I'm not sure. Just going to have a look. See what we can see. You have to keep sort of poking the floor with a stick. And you get a feel for what you do. I'm guessing this is a stairwell. Oh no, oh, boiler. I'm going to look at the boiler room, hang on. Okay, engineering department, no unauthorised persons allowed to enter. Okay, I'll be non-authorised then. We'll go and have a look. Okay, I'm not going to get in here too far. No, it's not pleasant, it's not at all pleasant. And there's the boiler room. Call that a day. Let's get a photo. Pog's making funny noises. I think it's the water getting trapped. There you are, look. Fire exit. Right, we just keep walking. Poke about with a stick, that's all we can do. Look at that, old school light switch. Okay, my guess is that's the heating. Yeah, boiler room. That'd have been the heating. There we are, look at that. There we are, another fire exit sign. Just have to keep poking the floor with your stick. Yeah, what we got here behind quite a good looking door. What we got here is a fire door. Let's go and have a look. Okay, it's electric room, fuses, plant room. I'm not getting into that. Yeah, it's a video. That's the best we'll do. Plant room would be my guess. That's right, it's behind the fire door. Right, let's go to another stairwell and call this a day. There we are. Plastic sort of garden furniture chair. A bit random. That's getting deep, I'm not doing that. Go on then, what's this working up to then?
Well, that door is like, my voice walked upstairs, having a bear. Floating on the top.
Oh, there's a bear in here. I ain't noticed. Well, that's quite topical with the Queen, isn't it? I'm trying to do a picture, hang on. I think I'm pretty much done with this. I've had enough, I want to come out. I think Jason's here, so let's see if we can see Jason. Oh, there he is.
Paddington, he died.
Oh, yes.
He's dead.
Actually, is it Paddington? It does look like Paddington.
Well,
I think it is with a red hat. Yeah, it just looks a bit knackered. Safe to say Paddington's drowned. I don't think I'm going to do these steps. I'll come back to another one.
we'll get through here.
Yeah, okay. So let's go and look at something else. Anything under the stairs? No. Look how high the water is. There's the top of the radiator. some sort of heating room. There's the fan that blows the air through the ducting, would be my guess. Gonna have a look in the big control room again, see what we can see. You round the balcony bits, the control room.
Where we started.
This is my guess for control room. Got balconies along the side, first floor. So this is your main floor space at the lower level. I've got a few old pictures, so I'll cut them in now. This is what it once was. Some Nick Catford photos. Right, we'll keep walking, see what we can see.
Heading back to the control.
Get out of here.
But you have to wait.
Yeah, don't worry about filming me. If you film me, tell me and I'll cut it in. Nah. There's a gap there, hang on. I'm a bit wary about this. The floor seems a bit dodgy. Nah. You're above me. Don't go back. You're going to fall in. Go back. Don't. Things are dropping. I'm under you. Go back. You won't see me. You're above me. I'm not going to walk through this. The floor seems a bit dodgy, so I just need to get back. There you are, look, double light switch. Don't see them like that anymore. Look at that, old school. Yeah, I'm just going to find my way back. Let's go back. Okay, I can see my back. Can I do this one? Any chance of getting over this? They've obviously tried to block it off. It's been boarded up at some point. I don't know. I'm stood on a lot of very loose stuff. There's no floor. Hang on. Yeah. I'll have to keep walking to find another one if I can't get out of this. Hang on. I'm going to try this. I need to get out. I'm getting cold. Okay, I'm going to try and get out of this one. Let's see if we can get out of here. I've had enough. This is dignified. I'm going to get onto a step. I'm onto a ring. There we go. Jason filming me filming Jason. Right, I can get a decent foothold. Right, there it is. Let's pull on this handmail. Right there. Let's get out of there. That's it then.
I'm not sure if your incontinence pads are working effectively.
It's my little white stick.
So how was that?
Lovely. Job done. Still recording. Okay, quick look round the outside. That's where the antennas possibly would have been. Not sure. Look at that. Broken videotapes. There we are, look. It's the insides. Look at that videotape. A lot of stuff here. There we are. A little tape. Can't read it properly now. There we go then, skips and stuff. Let's see what's in this little lock up here. Jason getting there first. Okay, what we got in the storage container? Let's have a little look. That's a good old size. Was insulated at one point, all been pulled apart now. Okay, what we got here? Oh, printer, fax. Yeah, printer. Okay, not sure what we got here. Yeah, this did something. Sump for something, oil. It was powered and covered up. Not sure. Obviously something was here. What a load of rubbish, look. Kids' buggies. What do you reckon? It's a sump, it was something. It was pumping something here. It just must have been to do with the building in its day, wouldn't it? It's a throwback from what it was.